Question number 54 and 55 from TS1 are from highway engineering and they are linked questions. So common data for these question number 40, 54 and 55 says that overtaking vehicle speed is 96 km/h and acceleration is given as 2.5 km/h/second and reaction time is given to be 2 seconds. Overtaken vehicle speed is given to be 80 km/h. And question 54 says OSD, that is overtaking side distance for one way traffic is, and options are A 252 meter, B 294 meter, C 342 meter and D 384 meter. Now say this is car which has to be overtaken and this is overtaking car. Now time T, that is reaction time, is that time in which driver of overtaking car realizes that he has to overtake. So he will travel some distance which will be given by D equal to 0.28 into VA, where VA is the velocity with which this overtaking car is traveling initially, multiplied by T. This 0.28 just comes from conversion of km/h into meter/second. So it comes to be 44.8 meter. Now it has to maintain some safe distance from overtaken vehicle also, which is given by empirical formula S equal to 0.2 into VB plus 6, where VB is speed of overtaken vehicle. So safe distance to be kept is 22 meter and capital T is the time required to complete the overtake action. So T is given by 14.4 into S upon A, which is equal to 11.3 seconds, and D2 is given by twice of 22 because this S has to be maintained. Say after some time capital T, this car shifts like this, that overtaken car comes here and this is overtaking car. Now this operation start, this is small t, when this driver decides that now it's time to overtake. So he will move here to some distance, say by some distance ahead, and overtaken car will move slightly ahead from this position. So now position are reversed. Now this is overtaking car and this is overtaken car. Now this safe distance between two vehicles, it has to be maintained before starting as well as completion of overtaking operation. So that's why this is 2 into 22 plus 0.28 into 80 into 11.3, where this is the distance traveled by car which is overtaking during entire overtaking operation. 11.3 is the time required for completing the overtaking operation. 80 km per hour is speed of the vehicle with whom you are overtaking. So 80 is speed of overtaken vehicle, because before completing the overtaking operation, driver who has to overtake, he has to come at the speed of this overtaken vehicle, only then he can overtake that vehicle. So d2 is 0.28 plus into 80 into 11.3. so this total distance can be given as d1 plus d2, which comes out to be 297 plus 44, which is approximately equal to 342 meters. So C is the correct option.